Hi, my name is Tim Del Campo, and this is our Robotics-IV project for winter 2001.
I'm Ricky. And our project is going to be assembling CD racks.
The first problems that we had was with compliance. Trying to get the parts to meet edge to edge and be perfectly aligned every time was quite a difficult feat to do. But the first problem we had was trying to find out what position we were going to have our parts in when we decided to press them together. We actually took a cardboard prototype and made it so that we could envision in our mind how we were going to have the parts positioned and exactly how much room we were going to have. We started with this, and from this it worked into an idea that we felt that could give us our end result of assembling a CD rack in an automated way. The only other problems that we had were having the gripper pick up two different size thicknesses of board, but we did have that to work out with the machine shop. They were able to reform our grippers, and it got us past that stage.
Now I'm going to describe the order of operations and how the CD rack, the pieces are placed into it. The first step is to take this piece, which is the back piece, and we put it into the press like so. Then we put the left side and just put it in a haphazard way. From that, we go to the shelves. We line those in there at 4 exact locations that were very difficult to do. And then finally, we make sure that everything is in proper place for the shelves. And now we're going to actually run the robot's program. And now first Tim has to push the enter button there to get the program running. Moves to a high left position. Then I push both start buttons to get it to run. Like so. Picks up the back piece. Puts it into place, nice and slowly, as to be sure not to smash anything that we inadvertently put in its way. Then it goes to pick up the right piece, right there. These positions were fairly easy to do because of the slope of our fixture. Everything just falls into place. Next, the press is going to push everything tightly together. That way the two main V's are ready for the shelves to be put into place. This was pretty difficult to make those shelves come into place because, for one, our table isn't bolted down. So we had to restore these positions a couple times through. And everything's running smoothly. Because our fixture is handmade, the parts holding fixture, we had to store every position separately, which made our subroutine very long. More shelf, I'll be ready to go. parts over. Now all the robot has to do is lay the top, actually left side piece into place, basically haphazardly, and the press will do the rest. This cylinder will fire to align the piece. This one will press it against the shelves, and that one will press it to the back. And then the robot waits for the operator to pull it out. We have success.
And this concludes the CD automated assembly process using the 760 robot for our winter 2001 Robotics-IV project. Thank you.